Okay, so we want to find the purpose behind workers' compensation laws in Florida. So I already browsed right to Florida jurisprudence, which is the encyclopedia for Florida. And there's 3 different search methods. We could use the index, the table of contents, and the search bar. So I'm going to start with the index here. Now, if I click on the index, there's a ton of words here, as you can see. So I like to do Control F and then put in like purpose or workers' comp. Actually, at this point, we'll do workers' comp, and then it'll take us right to it. So I'll click on that. And now this is the index entry for workers' compensation. So here there's a lot of stuff too. So now I'm going to look for purpose. And it looks like it appears 14 times here. I'm looking, looks like there's purpose of different rules, dual purpose, liens, 120-day rule. And here's just purpose workers' compensation system, workers number 2. So this looks like a more generally applicable purpose statement. And sure enough, it is. It's to see that workers are rewarded for their industry and basically to help out companies. Okay, so there's the index method, and there's our answer. And of course, again, we'd cite the primary authority here, not the secondary authority, not the actual treatise. Now let's go do the table of contents. So for table of contents, it's right, you're looking right at it. You know, the index is on the right, search bar above, and then the table of contents is the thing right in the middle. And again, we can just look for workers and go right to workers' comp. And then you can drill down, and I love this because it makes it really easy. You know that something like the purpose of an act is going to be at the beginning. And sure enough, here is the purpose clause. And this is exactly what we were just looking at a minute ago from the index. But did you see how easy we found that? Okay, and there's the exact same thing that we were looking at. Now, the third method is just the search bar. So with the search bar, you just put it in, and I'll just put in like purpose because, you know, might as well start there, and then we can refine if we need to. And basically, we have to scroll down for a while and until we get what we're looking for. And that's why it's helpful to have the 3 different types of searching methods: the index, the table of contents, and the search bar. And this, for this scenario, the table of contents was a whole lot easier. It was helpful to be able to see how things were organized and to go to, precisely to what we want. And I could try to refine this search, of course. I can put in purpose of act and purpose of workers' comp and so forth. But you get the point. You need to know all 3 to become a really good researcher. All right, see you back in the book.